G'day and welcome back to Fun with Canva. In tonight's tutorial we're going to look at how to create a fantastic custom frame. So open up a canvas in Canva, any size, doesn't matter. Come over to shapes, go to circle, and we'll select a circle for this tutorial. Just going to expand it out like so, come to position, center it, middle it. Then what we'll do is go to the color and we'll change it to black. Once we've changed it to black, we want to go back to elements and we'll select a line. Once we've got our line in the design, we'll come over here to line type and we'll click curved. We'll rotate it around like so, and we'll just extend the line past the edges of the circle, and we'll just grab the middle point and curve it. Then we will duplicate it, position it there, move that one over, and we'll duplicate it again, rotate it around, and move it so the line is again just past the perimeters of the circle. Now that we've got our shape, we just need to share it to our folder. Once we've downloaded it, we'll just drop it in our folder. As a PNG, we want to upload it to a program called Convertio, and we just want to drop that in like so, and we want to convert it to an SVG. Once we've done the SVG, we're going to upload that to PowerPoint. So downloading. So we'll just open up PowerPoint and wait for the file to download. Now that the file's downloaded, we'll open it in PowerPoint, come over here, picture from file, and look for our folder like so, and we want to just upload the SVG. Once we've got the SVG in, we want to convert it to shape. Once it's converted to shape, we want to come over to fill, and we want to fill it with a picture. Alright, I'm just going to choose this picture. You can fill it with any picture, doesn't matter. Alright, now that we've filled it with a picture, we want to go and download that, save that as a PDF. And we go save. Once it's downloaded as a PDF, we'll be uploading that to Canva and it'll appear in the project section. Alright, so we'll just come over to Canva, we'll create a new page. Alright, you can see that that's downloaded as PDF, so we'll drag that into uploads, or it'll go into projects, as you can see there. So we'll just click on that and we'll enlarge that out like so, and that in a sense is the circle custom frame. So what you can see, I'm just highlighting each section, deleting the image, And then I'm going to use Sydney designs. So I'm just going to drag these into here and position them in the frame like so. A little bit fiddly. Okay, position that one, position that one. And last one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one? Which one? Which one? I'll just do that one again. Position that in there. Okay, so that in a sense is the custom circle frame created in Canva using a few third-party apps. Have fun with Canva. I hope you've learned something. Enjoy, and until next time, bye for now.